Match number 13 of my 100-1 series, and this match is with Nawab Jan. Yeah, I won this match, but that's irrelevant. That's not the point. The main thing is how he played. See, he has skills, decent aim, good movement, able to time his shots, and understands the rhythm of the game. And most importantly, he is doing it all under pressure against a creator like me. Others may not value such things, but I do. Like I said in the beginning of the series, it's not about wins or losses. You can also win by camping, right? But that's not the point. This series is only about how you played. That's why shout out to you, brother. I'm impressed. You'll do wonders next time. Keep going, man.